I really believe in giving back to the community. It's something that I've always been passionate about. So my inspiration for the application for Lifetime Recovery Center in San Antonio was related to my son. So almost 5 years ago, my son came to me and admitted that he was a meth addict. And luckily, because HCR has such great insurance, we were able to get him into treatment and now 5 years sober. And I wanted to give back to the community, give back to the recovery community as a result of that. And this particular center provides recovery assistance for people that can't afford it, don't have insurance. So the grant that we received from HCR Foundation was specifically for some exercise equipment at the inpatient facilities. And so this was specifically to give them a place to go and work out and build some strength and release some of the pressures and tensions of going through recovery. And exercise has been shown to be a good method of helping in recovery and giving them something else to focus on. And I feel so blessed that I get to work for a company that shares passion and shares giving back to the community, and it's not just about doing projects that make us money, but it's about changing our communities, and I'm just so excited to be a part of a company that does that.